Hey guys, Dr. Jordan here. I'm going to show you DeadBug progressions, which are a great way to work on your core stability. What we're going to do is lay flat on our back like this. Our knees are going to be in a 90-90 position with our arms straight in the air. The main focus of this is keeping this rib cage nice and down. We don't want our low back to arch at all. You can get to that position by blowing the air out hard like this, keeping that set, stable position. The first part of the progression is just going to be a heel tap. So you're going to take one leg, reaching it down towards the floor like this, coming back up and alternating towards the other one. Again, we're maintaining this stable core as we do this. The second part of the progression is going to be with the arms. We're going to keep the legs in place, just reaching these arms out, tapping the floor like this. Once we've mastered that, we're going to do arms and legs at the same time, and you're going to go opposite arm, opposite leg. So you're going to reach both towards the floor, bringing it back up, and alternating to the other side. Just like that. Give it a go.